Hello traders, before I jump into the review, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so on my screen right now, I am looking at the Dark Rea EA listed on the MQL5 marketplace, developed by Marco Solito, and this is version 1.0. It is marked as a fully automatic expert advisor designed around impulse trading concepts. Now, one thing I immediately notice is that it is built around the dark sprint MT5 indicator, which already gives a bit of context about how the system generates its trading signals. However, I don't see a very explicit um, label about the MT4 version of this expert advisor, although I think there should be an MT4 version of this expert advisor, but the one I am reviewing is the MT5 version. All right, scrolling through the overview, the EA is described as having multiple strategy options. Meanwhile, as you can see, it's actually free for download. All right, so the strategy options include a basic trend following approach using market orders, but also flexibility to switch into counter trend styles depending on how you configure it. So this is not a fixed strategy robot. It looks more like a configurable system where the settings really define how it behaves. Now, looking at the key parameters, everything is fully external, which means all the control is in the user's hands. You've got things like spread control, magic number, and especially the dark sprint strategy settings where you can adjust impulse length, multiplier, time frame, and even how signals are executed, whether on the current candle or after a close. There is also a full money management section where you can either set fixed lot sizes or enable risk-based trading using a percentage model. So that gives some flexibility depending on how aggressive or conservative you want to be. I also see a full trading filter system, including time filters, trading sessions, and options to close trades outside selected hours, plus directional controls like allowing buys, sells, or both simultaneously, and even limiting the number of trades per candle. Moving down, the developer recommends using an ECN broker, low latency VPS, and proper optimization before going live. So it is clear this EA is not designed to be plug and play. You're expected to test and fine tune it. Now, switching into the testing side, the information provided mentions that backtests were performed using real tick data with 99.9% modeling accuracy, including spread, slippage, and commission. That's actually important because it means the historical results are trying to reflect more realistic trading conditions rather than ideal scenarios. All right, so let's just briefly look at the results that we have here on the marketplace. So the history quality is 15%. Okay, that's quite low. And the total trades taken is 3,125. Short trades were 1,622 with a 73.37% win rate. Long trades were 1,503 with a 74.38% win rate. And we can also see that the largest profit was $43.33, largest loss was $15.98. The average profit was 2.36, while the average loss was 2.36 as well. So this shows that the average risk to reward ratio was exactly 1:1. The initial deposit is $1,000. Total net profit $3,514. So that was about a 350% win rate. Let's just head over to our strategy tester so we can see how the Dark Rea EA performed on Euro USD on the H1 time frame over the past 5 months. As for the delays, I just used the last ping to the server, and I'm using the every tick modeling, of course. So looking at the results from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was $98.68. Total trades taken were 88, short trades were 52, with a 67.31% win rate. Long trades were 36 with an 80.56% win rate. The largest profit was 37.8, largest loss 12.21. The average profit was 2.65, while the average loss was 2.95. So that shows that the risk to reward ratio is actually very close to 1:1, even though the average loss is a little bigger than the average profit. And then the win rate is okay, quite all right. But the fact that the risk to reward ratio is not good enough probably resulted in a total net profit that was just very little compared to the initial deposit. So as I'm looking at the historical chart behavior here, the EA seems to be reacting around impulse movements, likely filtering entries based on the dark sprint signal conditions. You can see how trades are aligned with directional moves, and the structure suggests it relies heavily on timing and momentum. Okay, momentum shifts rather than random entries. From a strategy perspective, it looks like a system that can switch between trend following and counter trend behavior depending on how the settings are configured, which means the same EA can behave very differently from one setup to another. Now, in terms of results, these are strictly historical backtest results, so they should be treated as a reference point only. Performance can vary a lot depending on your risk settings, lot sizing, broker execution, spreads, and overall market conditions. This is why I would always recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, and not just relying on a single backtest period. It gives you a much clearer picture of how the EA behaves across different market environments. Overall, Dark Rea EA looks like a highly configurable impulse-based system where the real outcome depends heavily on how well it is optimized and how carefully the settings are tuned before live usage. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.